Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So if you are new here to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Jocelyn Tumukund, and in today's video we are going to check out 3-bedroom apartment. If you remember last time we have checked out 2-bedroom apartment which was downstairs, but today we are going to check out 3-bedroom apartment which is upstairs. This apartment is located at Kimironko and is a nice neighborhood. This is full furnished apartment with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and the rental price goes for 500 USD per month, and it comes with full internet Wi-Fi, which is pretty good. The price is very affordable. And this is your parking space. And here, this is your garden. I like how the garden is huge. You can come and relax from here. Before I show you inside, if you have not followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me right now. Anytime I'm not on YouTube, I'm usually on Instagram. And without wasting our time, let's get into apartment. And here you have cute wall lamp which make your apartment looks more stylish. When you walk in, to my left hand side is your dining area, and it comes with these 3 chairs over here, and there are lots of light coming in this side from these large windows, and you can have your breakfast, your lunch over these stunning views from your garden. When you continue, on my right hand side you have the kitchen area, and this kitchen, it comes with the fridge, cooker, microwave, kettle over here, and up here we have a lot of cupboards and dishes. The beautiful sink over here. I like color combinations. Wow, I love everything about this kitchen, guys. Opposite of the kitchen over here we have the living room area, and it comes with these beautiful sofas here, ramp over there, and coffee table here. I like it how this living room area looks simple and beautiful. And here we have a balcony space, and over here we have double door which take you to your balcony space, and this balcony is so nice. You have beautiful views from your garden and your neighborhood. Look how the sky is looking good. Let's check out the first bedroom. This bedroom, it comes with the closet space here, and you have a mosquito net up here. There is no malaria, guys, I was kidding. And over here you have a lot of space in your room, and you have beautiful large windows that side, and this corner you have laundry basket where to put your laundry clothes, and here you have your balcony space. I love room which comes with balcony, guys. And here we have unique door. You can use it as a window or you can use it as a door. It has 2 options. This is how your balcony space looks like. You have a lot of space at your balcony, and you have a stunning views from your neighborhood, and look up the sky, guys, looking so nice, guys. Imagine when you're having your drink over sunset here, guys. It will look so stunning. So this is how the first bedroom looks like. So let's check out the last two bedrooms. So let's check out the first bathroom. So the first bathroom, it comes with the shower space over here and the tap over here, and you have the toilet here, and you have a lot of space here. And down here on the sink space, we have the dustbin and the mirror, and the right on the mirror. So this is how the first bathroom looks like. So let's check out the second bedroom, which is on this side. So this is the second bedroom. I like it how all the bedrooms comes with a lot of space here, you see, and you have the mosquito net here, and you have the wardrobe space over here. You have a lot of space. And this bedroom, it is ensuite room. It comes with the bathroom. Here we have the bathroom, and this bathroom, it comes with the shower area, which is separated from the toilet area. And here we have the sink space, and you have the mirror, and you have the light, and here we have the toilet, and here we have the water heater. So this is how the second bedroom looks like. So let's check out the last bedroom. So this is the corridor here. Before we check out the last bedroom, here we have the last bathroom, which is on this side. Yeah, so the last bathroom, it looks like the second bathroom, but this one is bit larger to the second one. You have the shower space, the sink space, the toilet, yeah, and the mirror. So this is how the third bathroom looks like. So let's check out the last bedroom. In this room, it comes with this double-decker bed, and right here you have your large closet space with a lot of space. I like it. This room is perfect for your kids. If you have the kids, this room, it will be nice for them. And in this corner, you have your laundry basket. It's all the bedrooms from here, it comes with this laundry basket. And also here you have your balcony space. This bedroom, it comes with the balcony, and you have a stunning views from your balcony space. Yeah, so basically this is how the apartment looks like. Any question, put down in the comment section, or contact me via my social media platform here. And yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.